Do you want to connect your Nintendo Switch 2 to the dock and play games on your 4K TV or monitor? Well, it's super easy. So here's how to use your Switch 2 in dock mode. So here's the Nintendo Switch 2 dock. And to begin, we will flip it to its back. Then, take off the back panel, which you can easily do by pulling from the top. And it will easily pop off. And as you can see here, there's 3 ports. One for the HDMI cable, the other one for the power cable, and we also have a LAN cable in this one, which wasn't here in the Switch 1. So, let's start with plugging in the HDMI cable that's included with our Nintendo Switch 2, because it is a certified ultra-high-speed HDMI cable that supports 4K. Now connect the other end of the HDMI cable to your TV or monitor's HDMI port. With the HDMI cable connected, you can also plug in the Ethernet cable if you want wired internet. And last but not least, you will need to plug in the power cable or else your Nintendo dock won't work. And you should stick to the OEM charger and the charging cable. So let's plug that in, and after everything is plugged into place, so now let's put it back on. First, position the bottom part and then slide it downwards. Then just push the top part and it will click in place. And here you can see the cables are coming out from the bottom left, so you'll get a neat look. You can also see there's 2 USB ports, which you can use to charge your Nintendo charging grip, or you can also connect keyboards or mouse. Okay, we're done with the dock, so let's put it aside and grab our Nintendo Switch 2. Now let's connect our Switch to the dock. With the screen facing towards you, slide your Nintendo Switch down and it should be flush on both sides. Now the console screen should turn off. This will mean that it's connected to your monitor or your TV. Now let's detach the Joy-Cons. And you can either use it in handheld mode, or you can just put it in the Nintendo grip. In case your TV or monitor doesn't switch to your Nintendo on its own, you may need to switch the input manually. That's it. Now your Nintendo Switch is connected to the dock, and you can enjoy gaming on your TV or monitor. Hope this helped, and game on!